Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to hide photos on your iPhone and keep them private in iOS 18. Start by opening the Photos app. Choose the photos you want to hide by tapping Select at the top of the screen. Now, pick the photos you want and then tap the three lines at the bottom. In the menu, scroll and tap Hide. Confirm by selecting Hide Photos, and these photos will disappear from your main library. However, there's an additional step. By default, hidden photos are moved to an album called Hidden, which is still visible in your Albums tab. To make this album invisible, exit the Photos app and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and select Photos. Find the option for Show Hidden Album and toggle it off. Now, if you go back to the Photos app and check your albums, the hidden album won't appear anymore. To make the photos visible again, you'll need to return to Settings, go to Photos, and turn Show Hidden Album back on. This is a simple way to keep your private photos hidden from view. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.